SunZia is a truly amazing mega project. The amount of thought and energy and slight chaos that goes into building 553 miles of T-line with over 900 wind turbines, 2 converter stations is just, it's mind-blowing.
I've never seen anything like it at this scale. Once SunZia is constructed, it would provide enough power for over 3 million people.
You know, there's a lot of folks I've heard compare it to the Hoover Dam. This line is the biggest in the Western Hemisphere. We got a lot of OPUs out here working under Quanta. The entire major scopes is all through Quanta, the converter stations, the wind farm side, the transmission line.
We all have different roles and responsibilities in a project of this size. Securing of the land and easements, navigating environmental restrictions and regulations.
We've relocated over 15,000 saguaros and agave throughout the project's footprint. This is important because the agaves are habitat for some of the sensitive species we have here in the Southwest.
SunZia Wind's going to be 916 turbines generating over 3.5 gigawatts of clean energy. Building a wind farm anywhere is a logistical challenge, and the scale here in New Mexico is incredible. We're dealing with complex supply chains, transportation, access roads, foundations, and erection all at the same time.
This is a lot of rock, a lot of trying to figure out, how we're going to build a road or how we're going to build a site.
We have beautiful days like this, and then other days it's like 40-mile-per-hour winds.
The sacrifices everybody makes. They're away from home, they're away from their families, but they come out here and they put in an extremely hard day work and 120 degrees in the dust and the dirt.
Here behind me, we actually have what's called a high voltage direct current voltage source converter station. It will be the largest in the US and one of the largest in the world.
We're using cutting-edge tech to convert the wind power to direct current for transmission across the 552-mile transmission line, where we'll convert it back to AC for consumption.
I would say most of the challenges are just due to how remote these project sites are.
I enjoy a challenge. It's fun, it's exciting. Working through those problems, that's what makes your job fun. And then you get to see the results of your work on a daily basis.
Page Canyon is probably 8 of the most difficult miles to ever be built, ever, for a transmission, especially this size.
Flew in for the anchors, the foundations, we threw everything in, all the crews, all the materials, and then, of course, the towers themselves.
Going from our very first one, which took multiple attempts, go out, attempt it, didn't get it, have to land, regroup. Everyone tries to come up with different ideas, go out, try again, fail. And then finally on the 3rd attempt, you actually get the sucker to go in. And then after you have that recipe, you go and prove that it worked for 3 or 4 more sets afterwards. It was like huge.
I can't think of anything better to ask for than to go out and accomplish the impossible. It's incredible, it's a great feeling. There's going to be millions of people benefit from this work from the day it gets energized till Lord knows when.
Being able to come here, keep them safe, and get them back home to their families, is a big thing with us.
The number of people, the men and women out here that are dedicated to showing up here every day, doing their best, working hard, providing for their families, accomplishing a goal that others just didn't see as possible.
Well, this is going to be written in the history books. Largest renewable project in American history to date.
It makes you proud to wear the Quanta logo and be a part of this group.